Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be talking about Mark Klimek's lectures, his flashcards, and his review sessions that really helped me pass the NCLEX the first try. So I was first introduced to Mark Klimek by a friend of mine who said, hey, you really need to check out these lectures. I was like, alright, sure, sounds good. So I started listening to them and I'm like, wow, this information is really helpful. So this is why I'm sharing it with you today. It really helped me on the NCLEX. If I recommend one thing to anybody in regards to what to study, this is what I recommend you do. So the first study material I used by Mark Klimek was his lectures. So he has 12 lectures that cover OB, pediatrics, delegation, prioritization, the canes, crutches, walkers, pharmacology. These lectures are with a group of students, so you get feedback from the students while they're asking questions. Alright, so the second thing is the flashcards. So he, on his website, has over 2,000 flashcards. You pay $50 for them, and then you get access to all of them. I'm going to take you to the site now and show you how to log in and also give you a sneak peek of the flashcards. Alright, so type in Mark Klimek and then you can go down to the Mark Klimek book, blue book. On the homepage here, you can log in, create an account. You can also look at some of the flashcards without creating an account. Then you want to put in your first name, last name, school, email address, and create a password. So I've already logged in here and I went up to the categories and topics in the middle. So there's I think 8 categories here, and the management of care is the first one. Your physiological adaptation, you can see there's so many flashcards on so many different topics, which is amazing. And then the reduction of risk potential. You have health promotion and maintenance, which is mainly OB, and this one I found really helpful for me. Your psychosocial integrity, I really enjoyed the defense mechanisms here. And then safety and infection control, AIDS was helpful, and the spread of microorganisms was a good review because that was like first semester in nursing school. Here's your basic care and comfort category, and then your pharmacology, which this isn't by all means all-inclusive, but it was really helpful to kind of learn these ones. So here's a couple flashcards that we're going through. You can see how you can just click to reveal the answer and hide the answer, so it's super simple and easy to use. Another thing I like to point out is the bookmark in the top right corner. If you want to go back to a flashcard, you can simply bookmark it, and then your bookmark shows up in the top right. Let's go to physiological adaptations, migraine headaches. And then let's try health promotion and maintenance, premature rupture of membranes. And so he has some like this too where they're fill in the blank. I kind of like these. And then see this one I bookmarked so I could go back to it later. And it kind of shows how many I bookmarked in each category. It was a good way to show how I was improving as like less and less would be bookmarked. The third thing I did was I attended one of his review sessions. So he hosts review sessions live, but over Zoom. So it was over I think a 3-hour session. We actually went late. And he went through about 25 questions and just taught you how to answer tests, how to be a good test taker, which for me, I would say I'm an okay test taker, but when I don't know the answer, then I kind of panic. And he really teaches you how to be a more proficient test taker when you don't know the answer, which on the NCLEX, you can't know everything, so it is a very important tool for the NCLEX. I'll take you there to the website as well and show you how you can sign up for those classes. So this time click on the online tutoring and it'll take you to this page. So you can see there's 3 levels. I did the fundamentals in pharmacology. It sounds like they are supposed to build on each other in a way, like level 1 is the easiest, level 3 is the most challenging, but there were plenty of people in the class who had only signed up for the 3rd one. I thought it was just fine, not too difficult, and easy to follow along with. So really sign up for whatever one you think would fit you best. I really liked the pharmacology portion, to be honest. That was helpful for me. So looking at the bottom of the page, it looks like there's no classes offered right now, but they would pop up once he's offering them, and then you'd be able to sign up. It does send a link that you have to sign in via Zoom to verify before the day that you meet, and that's just so that he knows to let you in. So just a heads up on that. But definitely recommend these classes. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Check out Mark Klimek and all his lectures, and good luck studying for the NCLEX. You got this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe. I appreciate your support, and let's do this. Alright, have a great day, you guys.